see her taking off. She will take a quick left turn and like I was saying, Thunder is never far behind. She has taken a left turn and will now position for the loop, tumble and the yaw. This maneuver is extremely complex and seemingly impossible, but is the forte of this aircraft. The Sukhoi 30 MKI is the only operational aircraft in the world today that can perform this extremely complex and seemingly impossible maneuver. She has started to climb up.